Hi, in this video, let us see how to handle exception using try catch block. Okay, so let us create a class now. In this project, let us create one class example. So inside this class, inside the main method, let us write a code deliberately. That code will raise exception. Okay, the exception will be thrown in the code. So that is how we write the code. And we'll let us see without using try catch block. Let us run this program and see what will happen. Okay, so I declare a variable int I comma k, and I will assign value 5 to I, and I assign value 0 to k. Now let us declare a variable int n is equal to I divided by k. So in this case, if you use the value of k is 0, I value is 5, so we are dividing 5 by 0. If you divide any number by 0, in that case the value would be undefined, so there will be a exception thrown. So in this case, the exception is arithmetic exception, which will be thrown in this code. Since we don't have any try catch block, so the program will stop abnormally. So let us have a system dot out dot println, and let us have the text. This will not be printed. This will not be printed. So since the exception will be thrown at line number 13, the program will stop at that place. The program will stop at that line. So the line number 15, the system.out.println will not be executed. Okay. So let us run this code and see the output now. See, program stopped abnormally, and we can see in the console exception in thread main java.long arithmetic exception division by 0. Okay. So the system.out.println is not executed, so we are not getting the print. This will not be printed. Now what we do, let us use the try catch block, and let us use the try catch block. Now let us increase the font size so that it will be easy to see the text. So this is how we can increase the font size. Okay, so let us have this font size as 18 so that it will be visible, easy to see the code now. Okay, now let us have a try catch block. Let us have the code inside the try block. Okay, and we have the corresponding catch block. So we try to catch the arithmetic exception inside the catch. So this catch block catches the arithmetic exception. So we also have a system.out.println inside the catch block. So let us print inside catch block. So what happens here is when you run this code, the exception will be thrown at line number 13 because we are dividing the value 5 by 0. So arithmetic exception will be thrown. But this arithmetic exception is is there is a catch block to catch this arithmetic expression. So the control will we will go to catch block. Okay, so then afterwards we can have another sys out. We can have we can write after catch block. So the code will execution will continue. The program will not stop abnormally. That is the advantage of handling the exception. So let us run this code and see the output now. So we can see the inside catch block is printed because once the exception is thrown, the control will go to the catch block because we have the corresponding catch block. So the inside catch block is printed. Then the program execution continues. So the line number 20, that system.out.println also executed. So we are getting the print after catch block. Okay. So this is how we can handle exception. Okay.